Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making carrot soufflé. Yeah, carrot soufflé. This dish is extremely wonderful in the fall. It could be as a side dish for Thanksgiving or as a dessert because it is sweet. It is delicious. Vegetables, especially carrots, are not Stu's favorite. This is the only way I can have Stu eat some carrots and get some vitamins and have his eyes 20/20. A few weeks ago, I posted a question on our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans by Little House of Beans. Sherry Holt Cole requested I make carrot soufflé, and what a wonderful request that is. Stu's mom's recipe will be in the description below, along with the links to the products you see us using here. If you love this recipe and the 100+ other recipes you see on Little House of Beans, show me a little love. Click that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to make carrot soufflé. Let's cook.